Welcome everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Me, Alamin Tushar here. In this video, we will be talking about dripping effect in Photoshop. So let's jump into it. First of all, I will make a copy of the background layer and go to any selection tool, select a subject. I personally like the quick selection tool. Let's see, quick selection tool. Yeah, select subject. That will make a good selection for you automatically. Now make a mask. Then top of the background layer, make a solid color adjustment layer. I will choose white. Okay. Then on top of that, everything I will make flash effect. I had already made that, and you will find a video for this how to create that kind of effect. Just see in the description and also in the I button. Let's see. Press top of the top layer and Control T to resize it according to your size. Now go to the mask and press Alt to see the and make a selection of the and delete it. Go to the normal layer and go to the selection tool and go to free transform. Let's see, free transform. Yeah, then stretch it down. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's quite okay. Let's press okay. Control D to delete that. Now place this kind of effect. You will find this of colors. Make sure that is black. You can search for it in the Google. See, place it according to the size. Let's resize it. I think that's quite okay. Let's see. Mm, Now change the blending mode to lighter. Lighter, yeah. See, let's see the overall before and after. I think that's quite okay. Let's see. Yeah, let's see. That's what, and it's after, before, after. Let's take it to another level. Now go to File, Place, Embed or Link, and place another background for this on top of the color fill layer. You also can find that in the Google search. Just resize it according or place it according to position. Make sure the composite is good, otherwise the photo will not look very good. Now go to the top layer and press Ctrl, Alt, Shift and E all together to merge all the layer. Then I will crop it according to my size. Let's see. And in between that, don't forget to subscribe the channel and ring that bell icon. I think it should be one good for this photo. Let's see. Crop it according to yeah. That's cool, isn't it? Now let's see before, after, before, after. Thanks for watching.